Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is DANIAL HAKIM bin Abu HANIFAH, and I represent my group to present about our mobile app application which we use MIT App Inventor. And this is all my team. Me, myself, dan Hakim bin Abu Hanifah, Muhammad ASHRAF bin NOOR AZMI, NOOR IMAN HAKIMIN bin Muhammad ASNAN, and Muhammad ASHRAF HAKIM bin Muhammad RAZALI. Alright, now I will connect my mobile to my laptop. Start now. Okay, this is my mobile interface. Okay, first of all, I will connect it to MIT. I continue. Alright, scan QR code. I'm sorry, I will remove this in order to scan this code. Alright. Okay. This will take a while. Alright, so this is our interface for our mobile app application. Okay, usually in any app or a website that we first time go to the website or go to the app, we will sign in or sign up first. So now I will show you how to sign up or create an account. We must click on this sign up here. This, okay, we will be directed to sign up page. So in order to sign up, we must use user must insert father IC, password, and reconfirm password. So let's make it here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 for father IC, and password I made it 1 2 3. Reconfirm password. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, after that user must click submit button in order to assign or create an account. Say okay, before that I will show you our database. So this is our database for parents. So now parents, the table parents is empty, right? Empty. So when I click here, I click submit, a notification will appear, successfully registered. Okay, for parent table we will have a new data, right? Now for the IC that we have input 1 2 3 4 until 8 9, and parents password which we use MD5 function to encrypt 1 2 3, and this is the date that they have been registered. Okay, now I will show you how to log in. Okay, in order to log in, user must input two data, which is father IC and password that they have used in order to register. So I have used my data that I have registered is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the password is 1 2 3. Alright, so there is two button, parent and teacher. So I create the data, or I create the account as parent. So we must click parent button, and we will be directed to into send application, which user interface, which is the user interface. Alright, okay, in user interface there is two button, which is log out and register new student. Alright, and now all of the data, we don't have any data in our send application, right? So in order to parent in order parent to register new student, they must click register new student, and they will be directed to a page name application, which they must input parent information and students information. Alright, now they have to fill in all of this form in order to register a new student. Okay, in parent information, we know that father IC is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Mother IC, let's put a random number. Okay, father name, let's put it as Kevin. Mother's name, let's put SCT 80 CT. Alright, father number, let's put a random number. Mother number, we put a random number too. Father salary, let's put 9,000, and mother salary, we put 9,000 too. So this page is scrollable, so user just can scroll how they want. So we put inside student information. Student name, we put Abdul. Student age, let's put 6. Right, so student eligible 9. Okay, gender, student birth date, program and language. It's not a text box. So for gender, we use list speaker, which is gender. We have two, either male or female. So when user click gender, they can choose either one, M or F. M represent male and F represent female. So I will be as male because Abdul. Student birth date, okay, this will appear then, and then user can choose which date they have been born, the birth date of their children. Okay, let's put 2000, July 19, 2000. Alright, okay. Okay, for program, my team have discussed to make 3 types of program. First is daycare, second is kindergarten, the third one is daycare and kindergarten. So let's choose the program. Let's choose daycare for now. Okay, language, we have, we provide 3 language, which is Malay, Mandarin and Hindu. So I will choose Malay. Okay, student my kids, let's put student my kid 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is student my kid. Other language, no. Student address, for this box we make a multi-lane because address usually a very long that user have to input. Okay, put number 34 Kampung Kembar, Jalan Wat, Temerloh. Alright. Okay. After they have input or they have fill on the form, so in order to submit it, user must click submit button. The bottom of the my mobile interface. So before that, let's go to our database, which is here. Okay, database, as we know, parents we have value. Okay, so for now, student we don't have any value of student. Programs and student also we don't have. Programs we don't have, and eligible. Alright, so for now, I will click submit button on my phone. Okay, application have been sent, is a notification, please wait for the process, thank you. So after user have sent the application, I have clicked the submit button, a notification will appear and they will be directed to send application, and this is the list of their application that they have sent. Okay, this is all the list. Student my kit that we just enter 98 until 1. So this is the date and the time that we have registered, and this is application status. Okay. Let's see our database. Okay, I will refresh it. Alright, so you can see all of the database, all of data for student have been have been stored in our database. So programs, we choose the career, okay, pending, okay. All of data that have been registered or that have been input by user will be stored in our database. Okay, so now we know that all of data that have been stored in database. Let's go to other page, which is teacher page. So I will click log out here, click log out on my mobile phone, and user will be directed to the main page, which is they can log in or they can sign up a new user. Okay, now I will show you teacher page. Alright, now before that I want to show list of teacher that have been registered by ourselves. We have 4 teacher. I will take this one, 97. This one, this teacher IC, in order to log in into a new teacher page. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, see here, 97. 3. Okay. For the password, this is we have been encrypt that it just 1 2 3. So let's choose. Let's input 1 2 3, and then click teachers button. The teachers, and we will be directed to teachers page. Alright. Okay, now in teachers page, we have several button: log out, search, approve application, update, and delete. Alright, now teacher can update the status of approval of all application. Okay, this is list of submitted application by parents. They will appear into teachers page. So let's try to approve the application. Okay, now the status of approval is pending, right? So now I will choose student my kit. Okay, right there I choose here approve application, and now let's choose yes. Okay, and then update. Successfully update. A notification will be appear at teacher's page. Alright, now I will refresh my companion screen, and now we can see the status of approval is yes. And let's see our database. Status we put here. Okay, status, approval status, from pending it changed to yes. Alright, now I will show you how to delete all application. How to delete a application. So there is a delete button there, and in order to teacher delete the application, they have to choose student my kids. So in here we choose 987654321, and then we click delete. Okay, notification will appear successfully delete, and then we just okay. Now I will refresh my companion. Alright, okay, now there is no data, or there is no student that we have delete back then. Okay, now let's go to our database. It have been deleted or not. Refresh it. Okay, it have been deleted. Student, we don't have any data. Before the previous one, we have one data about student in student, program, and program and eligible, but all of it have been deleted by teacher. So all of the data about the student have been deleted. Okay, now I will show you how we make a search button, search process in our mobile application. So we just input user IC 97 password 123 and then just click teachers, and we will be directed to the teacher page. Okay, now we have two data with a different student, my kids. So in order to search a specific student, we use the search text box. So let's say we want to search student with student my kid 111. Alright, 1. Alright, and then we click search. So a specific data about the student will appear in our mobile. It's all from me, and and I am represent my group to present App Inventor, that we use MIT App Inventor to show you how we apply from website registration system into mobile application. And I hope all that my team have do, we have done the best. And I'm sorry if I have any words that cannot be understood by our lecturer, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.